In this quick video, I'll show you how to convert professional account to normal account in Instagram. Now before we start our video, you can see I'm really close to achieving a big milestone, which is 1000 subscribers. It's been a dream of mine and we are just few steps away from making it happen. If you think I really helped you, and on that basis you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me reach this goal. Now coming back to our topic. To convert our account to normal account, we just need to tap on our profile icon from bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, tap on the three lines which are available on top right corner. Once we tap on it, then we just need to scroll down here a bit and then we will see this option business tools and controls. Tap on it. After that, scroll down here and you will see this option called switch account type. Just tap on it. After that, it will give you two options: switch to personal account or switch to creator account. We want to switch our account to personal account. For that, we just need to click here. Now it will give us this pop-up where we need to click on switch to personal account once again, and then it will start converting our account to personal account. And now if I go to my profile, you can see there is no such thing as business account. So this is the way you can follow to convert your account. For now, thanks for watching.